Alright, here's the other box fan. So this is a Windmere Model 200 with a banana blade. Now, of course, this is a rebranded liquid box fan. Um, Now, this fan is from 1992. I got this from the same seller where I got the brace bladed version from. So, um, so once again, I was originally going to get a Duracraft stand fan. It was an 18-inch model with pretty much a similar blade setup to this one. But, um, it got lost in the pile, so these two fans were the ones available at the moment. But yeah, uh, this one I pretty much got it for free because the condition was a bit more rough compared to the brace plated one. So for starters, let's take a closer look at it. There is a whole lot of paint chipping going on around the cabinet. Well, the sides are fine, but there is quite a lot on the top. Um, Now we take a look at the bottom. This is where pretty much most of the paint chipping has occurred, and some portions of it are rusted up. And there's some rust going on inside as well. Um, Now onto the blade. I don't quite understand the aerodynamics of this, but especially considering that the trailing edge portion is pretty much not filled in compared to the D blades from Lasco of the 1990s. So yeah, but they do provide a whole load of air volume. So this blade set has to do a lot more air volume compared to pretty much straight up airflow from the front of the fan. Now I did clean this up. This was pretty dirty. I also cleaned up the blade and the motor, oiled the bearings. But yeah, this has the grills of the brace blade box fan, mainly because the original grills were insanely brittle. I might guess this was placed in a window for most of its life for the past 32 years. And therefore those grills were no longer useful. They were turning into powder at this point. So yeah, I pretty much requested this fan to be given for free, and he did, which I'm glad. But yeah, I might swap the cabinets and probably swap the logo. That's if I don't find any grills for this fan right here. But we'll see later. For now, let's test this fan. So let's turn it up to the low. And this Macmillan motor has a decent startup sound to it. I'll show you at the end of the video. Now the airflow up front, it's very gentle, as you can see. And there's this sort of cone aerodynamic going on. Because you can see there's not much airflow going on in the middle. Seems to be a lot more at the edges. But yeah, it's very, very gentle. But from a distance, the air volume can quite be felt. And honestly, the low speed, it's a lot quieter compared to the brace bladed one. The brace bladed one was a bit louder, and I don't think and I think it did produce the same amount of airflow as this banana blade box fan here, medium. And there is a massive difference in speed, as you can hear. It is relatively quiet too. Once again, it's not really much strong. It's not really that strong, to be honest, but the air volume is massive though. It's quite a gentle breeze. Full power. Yeah, that is quite a decent airflow right there. Yeah, there is a massive air volume, so it has to do with air volume with this box fan here compared to direct airflow. And it's very quiet too, and well balanced, to say the least. And off. Of course, I service the bearings, so the span down is decent. Now let's have a close up at the Macmillan motor and hear the startup. Alright. Here is the low. The medium. And the high. So yeah, that's a very nice startup sound to it. Sounds very good. But yeah, once again, even though the airflow is not very strong directly, the air volume is very massive, I must say. So yeah, that will pretty much be it. So that's the Windmere 20-inch box fan, model 200 from 1992.